Alright, look, one thing I've been struggling with, right, is having shoes all over my place, like my gym shoes. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. But the reason for that is just laziness, right? So usually when I come from the gym, I just like take my shoes off and leave them like wherever like I'm currently standing, right? Over time and start looking like a whole mess. Right now it even looks better because I didn't go to the gym that much last week, but usually like socks are around and all that. So I found the perfect hack, right? Which is the IKEA shoe holders. And I actually got those from a friend. Let me show you guys what they look like. These right here. So what I'm about to do now is like put those by my entrance, like this wall that you see right there. I'm about to install them there, and hopefully I'm disciplined enough to like put them in there once I come back from the gym. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Let me show you guys how I'm gonna install it, and hopefully this help you as well. Boom! You see? That's it. It works perfectly fine. And this is what I was supposed to do a long time ago, but I kept procrastinating. But finally, I got to do. As you can see, it wasn't that hard at all to do. It looks pretty clean now. Look. But let me show you guys what my bedroom looked like, man. Way much better, and I just hope that I keep using the shoe holder for what it's meant for, and that should solve your problem as well. So thanks so much for sticking to the end of this. I hope you guys find value in it. And this stuff's actually cheap at IKEA. I think they're like, it comes like $30 for like 3 of them. So you should be able to pick those up for very good prices. But check them out, the content. I do lots of stuff like this, DIYs, and also vlogs. So check them out, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.